Hi everyone, welcome to Craft Our Paper Stash Collab cards. And this I started with Stamp Girl, who is Paige. On the 15th of every month we post. We have a few other people that have joined us, so please be sure to check the description box area below the video and hop over to see everyone else's creations. We have some awesome card makers in this little collab. So, and if you want to play along, just play along and use the Craft Our Paper Stash Cards heading. So yeah, all right, so I made 5 cards. That was what we originally planned, and I kept it easy this time. And what I did is I always buy these and then I never know what to do with them. So Stampin' Up has these Memories and More cards. They're like your I can't even remember what the other name is anymore. But I used to get them at the craft stores too. Anyway, so they have this pack that is all cards and envelopes, and this year they have a set in the flowers for every season, and the envelopes coordinate in the same colors. So that's one thing. And then they have the Memories and More card pack, and what that is all these, Project Life is the other name, all these small and large Memories and More cards, and they're double-sided. They're great for journals and stuff, but I don't make that many journals. I make some, and I forget I have these to use for making cards. So that's what I did this time. I thought I'm gonna just go ahead and make some cards with it before, next year rolls around and the catalog ends and they're not there anymore. So that's what I did. Let me get this out of the way, and I'll just do them one at a time and show you. I kept most of them pretty simple. So here we go. The cards have this little white dotted line around it. This was one of the cards, and on this one I used the Daisy Lane stamp set, which I thought went well with the daisies, and I just typed smile, typed stamped, and inside, the best moments in my life happen with you. I stamped it in Midnight Madness, Misty Moonlight, Misty Moonlight, which is this color. And this is Bumblebee. These are all the new in colors. Just Jade for the dots, which are, I used them on a couple cards, the 2020 to 2022 in color enamel dots. So I used the Just Jade to bring out the leaf colors. And then we have like a very pale cinnamon cider color. Inside I stamped this daisy in Bumblebee, but I did stamp it off. And then this is a sticker from the pack, because they do come with word and two sheets of each. These are like the flowers and the labels, and then 2 things of words. And so I used, I just dropped something, hang on. I used one of the little flowers that were in the words here that had the Bumblebee on it. See, like there's one with the Just Jade in it. So I used one of those. I'll leave them out because I think I use them again soon. And then on the outside of the envelope I used this other daisy here, just down the bottom, stamped in Bumblebee. I tried to do, I think I did all but one envelope as well. So the next one was the Magenta Madness. The bow was a sticker from one of those sheets, like this one. And I used the Bumblebee enamel dots, and inside I used some of the stickers. Beautiful and Lovely. You Are My Sunshine. Beautiful and Lovely. I feel like I need a sunshine or something in here, so I may still do that. And this is one I didn't put anything on the outside of the envelope. That one was easy. The next one, well, they're all pretty easy. The next one had this big floral. It came with this label like this, so I used more stickers. Celebrate You. I brought in the Bumblebee ribbon in color. Where does it say? 2020 to 22 in color ribbon, 1/4 inch in Bumblebee, and just tied a bow and put that down with a glue dot, and then just used one of the Bumblebee enamel dots. Then inside I stamped in Misty Moonlight Happy Birthday. That is out of the So Much Happy stamp set, which I used for my live on Tuesday night, the 14th. And I also used another sticker because it had these same flowers in it, and I thought that went well, and I think the envelope's blank on that one too. Okay, so the next one is Cinnamon Cider, and for this one, oops, sorry, got that stuck under there. This was another full-size card, and I wrapped the Cinnamon Cider ribbon. Oops, I was showing you. Yeah, that's right. I wrapped the Cinnamon Cider ribbon. This is also 2020 in color, but this time, and they have them in all 5 of the colors. I only used those 2. I did a fake bow here. And then this is from the Here's a Card. I made you a card because you're worth it. And the sentiment on the inside is from this too. I'll show you in a minute. And then this label is from the the Tasteful Labels dies. It goes with the Tasteful Touches stamp set on page 124 of the annual catalog. I stamped it in Cinnamon Cider. I stamped the medium daisy from the Daisy Lane 3 times. Twice I stamped off, and once, I think I stamped off twice for 2 of them. Excuse me, I'm feeling like I'm going to sneeze. And then I only stamped off once for the middle layer, which is a little darker. Here I used another one of those stickers, and there's 2 little leaf stickers sticking out the top up here. And I popped this up on dimensionals, and I used the champagne rhinestones, which are in the annual catalog. They were on back order, but I think they might be available now. Champagne rhinestone basic jewels. They were in the occasions, but they carried over. 151193. And I thought that color went well, and it added a little sparkle. And then inside I put thank you for being my friend in Cinnamon Cider, and I stamped off once and put the daisy in there again. And then on the envelope, I guess I was wrong. I didn't do 3 of them there out of 5. And the last one, we went holiday-ish. So this time, again, this label was already on this card. So, but I brought in the Peaceful Boughs stamp and the Beautiful Boughs dies. These carried over, they're in the annual catalog. I did use this, the Season's Greetings. I used the May the Spirit of Peace gently fill your heart and home in this most wonderful time of year. And I used the small pine cone. And these dies are from the die set. Now those, sometimes I make extras of stuff, and I actually had made those last year. It looks like in copper foil. I hope we still carry that. I'm not even sure. But they were in my die packet, so I thought I'm just going to use those. And then 3 of the enamel dots in Cinnamon Cider. And inside looks like this, the pine cone and some of the branches in Cinnamon Cider and in Just Jade. This is stamped in Just Jade, as is this. And the outside of the envelope does have 1 green branch with 1 pine cone. So those are my 5 cards that I made. Very easy. I should have probably made more, but I seem to be having trouble with crafting my stash this way. I don't know what it is with me right now, but I'm trying to use my Stampin' Up products because I get stuff and then like I said, I forget I have it, or I don't really know what to do with it as far as card making is concerned, like the Memories and More, I mean, are concerned. So, yeah, those are my cards. Smile, have a great day. Go check out all the other participants in the collab. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're a beginner card maker or crafter, these Memories and More cards are wonderful for you. And they have, because it's flowers for all seasons, as you can see, they have all seasons. They even have some other, like this one had words on it. I think this is the back of one I used. Nope, I was going to use that. But then on the back, it has words you can cut apart. You know, I almost used, I couldn't decide on the green one. They have this Winter Wishes one, also very nice. I could have used the Sprig Punch with that one. You know, there's just a lot of possibilities. And you get these stickers with words and also images. Here's another one. See, there's like spring and summer, roses for summer, I guess, and there's tulips in there for spring. And it's all 5 of the new in colors included. So that's it for me. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your week. And hugs, love, and peace. Take care.